So I left a ton of money on the table when I switched this product from ClickBank to MaxWeb. Why did I do that? Am I crazy? Did I lose my mind? No, obviously not. To understand why I did this, I'm going to compare the two networks. So we have ClickBank and we have MaxWeb. ClickBank is a regular affiliate network and MaxWeb is a CPA network. The difference between those two is for the upsells, we are paid on ClickBank, but on MaxWeb, we are not paid for the upsells. Means that, for example, if we have a course, an online course at $200 and someone pay for the front end offer at $200, they will be offered an upsell. The upsell would be, for example, a private coaching for $1,000 extra. On ClickBank, we would be paid a commission, maybe 50% of that $1,000, but on MaxWeb, we would not be paid. So this is the first difference between those two. The commission is variable. So for example, the front end would be a typical offer at $50 and we would have 50% commission, and the upsell would be at maybe $400 and we would be paid half of it, $200. But on MaxWeb, the commission would be fixed to $56. But the huge factor that made me take that decision was the refund rate. The refund rate for that particular product was 15 to 20%. And on MaxWeb, there are no refund at all since it's a CPA network. By the way, CPA stands for cost per acquisition. And when you get paid the $56, there are no refund. You don't deal for no refund at all. Even if the customer asks for a refund, they will handle this, but you are not impacted by this refund. The product I was promoting was the front end offer was from 59. The price was from $50, I believe, to $200, and the minimum commission would be half. It was 50% commission. So on the front end offer at $50, I would made $25. If they buy a bigger package, I would have made more, but the minimum commission would be $25. On the other hand, for the same product, even if they buy the front end offer, the minimum package at $50, I would be paid $56. So I would be even paid more than what they have generated with this sale. So basically, this is the difference between a CPA network and a regular network on ClickBank. Now, let's do some math. On ClickBank, for that product, I made around $11,000, okay, for around 150 sales from the front end offer. But when you remove or deduct all the refund, I have around $8,000 left. So the average order value would be only 53. Even if I made a sale of $50 and then they take the upsells at $200, basically I have made $150. But with the refund all taken into account, I did make $150 for that sale. It's only resulted into $53 average order value. On the other hand, on MaxWeb, the commission is fixed and there are no refund at all. So the average order value is $56. So in reality, I didn't lose really that much money switching from ClickBank to MaxWeb, because even if you think that you are making more money on ClickBank, but with the refund rate that was so high, the average order value is only $53 per sale. What made me switch to that network is because I was afraid of losing all my efforts, because I was promoting this product and I realized that every day I would receive an alert saying that there is a refund, there is a refund, there is a refund, there is a refund. So I started to panic, and I said, okay, let's see if I can find this product on another network. And I was lucky and I found this product on MaxWeb. So I didn't think about it um, too much. I did that calculation, and $56. And in fact, it was the CPA network was paying $60 per sale with that product. And after a couple of weeks, I received an email saying that they will drop the price, the commission from $60 to $56. But at the end of the day, I was making $53 on ClickBank, and now I'm making $56 without any type of refund at all. So in my mind, I was more stable, and the stress of losing my hard work was gone. But maybe after they would improve their funnel, maybe they would improve their customer service, their product, and maybe the order average value is now maybe $70 because there are less refund, the funnel is converting better. But for me, it doesn't matter. I lost, maybe is hypothetic. I don't know how much money I lost, but I know leaving ClickBank to MaxWeb, I lost some type of money. But for me, it was way better for my my health, because I was panicking. I didn't sleep because I was seeing my ClickBank account with a ton of refunds, and the money was going down, down, down. But now on MaxWeb, it's way more stable, and I don't care about what happened with the refund. Even if I don't make that much money on MaxWeb, it's okay for me. So why would a company would pay more for the front end? For example, I give an example. If they buy the lowest package at $50, the commission on ClickBank would be $25 at 50% commission, but they would pay me $56. So they lost $21 on that sale. But why they would they do that? The reason why is because they are paying for customer acquisition, cost per acquisition. The reason behind this is that they are building their email list, their customer list, so they can continue non-stop promotion with this product if they didn't buy, and with other products, even if so they have a new customer on their list, and they can still make a lot of money with that particular client. Also, even if they haven't made a lot of money on the front end, only $25, they still have the upsell. Even if you are not paid on the CPA network for the upsell, they are still selling or presenting the offer to the customer. So they are paid for the upsells. So it's more money from the funnel. So they are not crazy when they are paying more from on the front end. Even if they don't make that money, they will make that money for sure with their email list and the upsells. Now, considering to switch from a regular network to a CPA network if the product is available, this is the criteria that you would take into account. If the product is poor quality, there is a high refund rate, the customer support is non-existent or really sucks, uh, I would have suggested you to go with the CPA network. Also, what to take into account is the income stability. The income stability is coming from the fact that there are no refund on your account on a CPA network. Even if the customer is asking for a refund, you don't care about this because you're not, the money that you have made is made forever. And if the funnel is poor as well, this is another criteria that you should take into account when thinking about switching. What I mean by poor funnel, for example, if they have the front end offer converting well, but they don't have a good funnel, it means that at the end of the day, the money you have made on the front end is basically the money you will make for the entire funnel. So there is no point to stay on a network with a poor with a product with a poor funnel when you will not make even more money. Just switch and you don't have to care about the refund. So a little story about that product. I won't reveal that product because I don't want to. I don't want to bite the hand that gave me so much money. But um, what happened next when I started to promote that product on MaxWeb? A couple of months later, I received an email saying that the refund rate and chargeback are really high. What's happening? And even if they didn't take back the money, they asked me what happened, why the refund rate is so high. I told them straight up, look, the product is really poor quality. You accepted to put that product on your network, knowing that the claims on the product are not true, and you accepted this. So I'm going to show you my landing page, and I'm not doing any claims other than what the sales video is doing. So I'm not to blame on that situation. You should handle that situation, and I'm not going to do anything else about it. I'm not going to change my landing page. It's converting well. Now the problem is with the product. It's a poor quality product, and with a poor quality product, no customer support, this will happen. And I sent this as an email, and they told me, all right, thank you for your response. We will contact the seller and find a solution for this. That's it. So this is the huge advantage of promoting something on a CPA network. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And the purpose with this video was to help you to decide whether to stay on a regular network or go on a CPA network if the product is available. So please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.